So, I'm going to be doing a video, and I'm going to be playing a song, See You Again, for the movie that Paul Walker was in. Every time I listen to this song, See You Again, it makes me cry a lot. And it just brings back memories, because my grandma died, and, well, I like Fast and the Furious, so I'm going to play this song, See You Again. I like Paul Walker. He was a good actor. I like Vin Diesel. I like everybody. I love their family, and I love the movie. I have all of Fast and the Furious movies. Me and my family are a big fan of Fast and the Furious. And I just feel bad for the family.
We've come a long way from where
I
we
wish I could meet
began.
them, and,
But
you know, the movie Fast and the Furious 7 makes me cry because it's a sad movie. When it
damn,
first came
who
out,
knew? All the planes
I
we
watched
flew,
them,
good things you've
and
been through. Then I'll be
Fast and
standing
Furious
right
7
here
makes me
talking to
cry.
you
I mean,
about
I
another
cried
fad.
really bad.
I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever paid.
Fast and the
Now
Furious
I
is
see
like
you in
my
a
first
better
movie
place.
that I've ever liked.
How can we not talk about
But
family when family's all that we
they
got?
have a good
Everything I
family.
went through, you were standing there by
And
my
when all
side.
the Fast
And
and the
now
Furious
you gon' be
movies are
with
done,
me
I'm
for
gonna
the
cry
last
so
ride.
much. Every time I watch Fast and the Furious, I cry at the end of the movie when they play See You Again.
And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
So, like,
We've come a
I
long
don't know, but
way.
sorry I'm having trouble talking. It's because I'm really tired.
Oh, I'll tell you all
So,
about it when I
Fast and the
see
Furious is my
you
favorite movie.
again.
Fast and the Furious 7, the part when they jump out of the airplane, and, like, when they jump out of the airplane, that's the part that makes me laugh. And it just makes me laugh really, really bad. I mean, my grandma's like, tells me to, like, calm down and stuff because it makes me laugh so hard. And when I laugh, my cheeks turn red. It's really weird, but I know everybody loves them, and Rip Paul Walker, we know he's gonna be missed, and his family will miss him. I miss him, even though I never met him and stuff, but you know, you guys understand. But like, I just don't know. So I'm gonna sing a little bit of this song if you guys don't mind.
And every road you take, always leads you back. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you
That's all I have to say, and sorry if my singing is horrible, but you just don't mind. My singing is horrible, but peace. Love you all. Have a good night.